Why is Taiwan a great place to live and work?
I think number one is because people here are generally very friendly. Even if I don't speak a lot of Chinese, I don't find it very difficult to get around the city, get what I need.
Tell us about Uber in Taiwan.
We're in the CBD, where the background is actually mountains. So you can hike even after work, right? It's just so close. And I think as a workplace is a very flexible place to work and there's a lot of perks.
How did you experience readjusting to the culture and lifestyle of Taiwan?
People in Uber Taiwan is a mixture of foreign background and local background, which you won't easily find this anywhere in the world. So I think that kind of diversity is something super interesting as well for me to readjust. But I think so far so good.
What opportunities at Uber Taiwan influenced your decision to move to Taiwan?
I really think that Taiwan has a lot of exciting opportunities. It wasn't like what people thought from the outside. And only when you experience it, you see that it's actually very exciting. It's a place where you can see work-life balance in its true meaning. When we joined Uber, I think that's a lot of perks and a lot of benefits that really speak to itself of being one of the most flexible workplaces in the world.